I got this G Promise shower head adapter because I want a shower head here and a handheld shower head. I'm connecting to the wall, and this should work perfectly. Let me show you as I install this. So here is a close-up on the piece I'm adding. It is very, very sturdy, great heft. It will attach to my shower spout right now, just like this. This is where I'll attach the handheld shower head, and this is where I'll attach the existing shower head. It's just a twist on. Over here, I can choose whether it's going to the handheld or to the shower head itself. Now, it does come with a wrench if you want to make it super tight. I usually like to hand tighten these. If I need to make it tighter, I can, but I prefer to have them work without having to over tighten. And it comes with plumber tape if you need it. Again, we're going to do it without all of that to start. As usually, it's fine without. So undoing this, twist this on. I'm not even over twisting it because I actually want to make sure these are where I want them to go. So I'm happy with how it is right there. That's how that works. Super easy, totally sturdy. Okay, turn it on. I did not add any extra protection here. I see no drips. Works great. That was all by hand tightening. We have a great shower going here. Let's switch to the handheld. There we go. So easy. And if I want, I can have them both going at the same time. Obviously, it's going to be a lower pressure on both if I do that, but then it gives my child double the options. Or we can just go back to the regular shower. So cool. So this is working exactly as I want it. When it's all the way up, it only does the shower head. When it's part way, it's doing both. And when it's all the way down, it only does the handheld shower head. So that is fantastic. I will probably mostly have it part way, as I think my kids will want both, which totally makes sense to me. This is such a smart attachment. I totally recommend it. Love it.